Hi, Eric Grant here from Sailrite. In this video, we're going to show you how the small hole punch set works. This set of punches includes 6 small hole punches, and we're going to show you how it works in the HandyPress. So let's get started.
There are many reasons the HandyPress may just be the world's best bench mount hand press, but the main one is this: there's one press for all the dies, no matter the brand. If it was made for a hand press, chances are it will work in the HandyPress. This set comes with the adapter and 6 hole punches in various sizes shown on the screen. Slide the workbench onto the base of the HandyPress and place the cutting board on top of it. Thread your desired size hole punch into one of the threaded holes on the sides of the 3 hole punch and setter adapter. Do not use the center thread hole, as punch outs do not exit well from it. Thread the adapter onto the upper shaft of the HandyPress. The next task is to set the sweet compression. Depress the lever of the HandyPress. Your goal is to have the lever of the HandyPress be 10 degrees down from horizontal, which is the lowest it will travel down, and at that position the cutter's blade be slightly buried into the cutting board surface. To achieve that task, raise or lower the upper shaft by rotating it to the left or the right until that goal is achieved. That is the sweet compression, much like a pair of vice grips work. Here you can see the cutter of the punch is slightly buried in the cutting board. This is perfect. And if you notice the handle of the HandyPress, it is 10 degrees down, or the lowest position. And that means we have the sweet compression. The workbench can be slid fore and aft, and you can use the back fence to slide your assembly so your hole can be placed exactly where you want it, and then lock the workbench down. You can also rotate the upper shaft so that the hole punch is either at the front or angled or to the side or even in the rear. But if the hole punch is in the rear, you really can't see where you're going to be punching your hole very well. So I like it either at the side or angled or at the front so I can see exactly where I'm going to punch my hole. Here we're using the 3/16 inch hole punch through leather, and using that back fence to keep our hole at a consistent space against the back edge of our leather assembly. Let's rotate the upper shaft so the hole punch is in front. Here we're going to do 2 layers of a thick leather. The hole punch is conical, so this leather will stick. The thicker you go, the more it'll stick since the punch is conical, but we can get it through this thickness. Just know, the thicker you go, the harder it'll be to pull the assembly through, especially with leather. This is 3 layers of Sailrite Yachtmaster fabric. It's a canvas material, punches right through. Punching holes through webbing can be quite difficult because of the fibers, but with this hole punch set and the HandyPress, you can see it does an excellent job, no matter the type of webbing you're punching through. Nice. If you use the side hole, notice the chads come out the top. You can just clear those occasionally as they come out. And if you'd like to change the punch, simply unscrew it. You can also use a wrench to unscrew them as well, and then screw in the next size that you'd like. Make sure it screws all the way to the base of the adapter. An optional accessory you may want to consider is the HandyPress ruler. This ruler has inches on one side and centimeters on the other and screws to the workbench. And it can be attached on the left side or the right side of your workbench. When using the ruler, be assured that the punch is directly in front so that you're working from 0 inches. Now we can punch our hole in our assembly and move our assembly anywhere from 0 inches to all the way to 12 inches. Here we're going to move it to every 3 inches and punch another hole in this vinyl seating fabric. So now, using the fence of the workbench and the ruler, we can be very precise about where we punch our holes. Nice. The HandyPress works with so many other dies, no matter the brand, to set fasteners, grommets, eyelets, rivets, and much more. Check out the link to the playlist to see more examples. I'm Eric Grant, and from all of us here at Sailrite, thanks for watching.